Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to properly delete files from your computer. Whether you're freeing up storage space or removing sensitive data, it's important to delete files correctly to ensure they're gone for good. Let's get started. Step 1. First, locate the file or folder you want to delete. You can do this by opening File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Navigate to the folder where the file is stored. Step 2. Once you've found the file, right-click on it and select Delete or Move to Trash from the menu. This will move the file to the recycle bin on Windows or the trash on Mac. Step 3. To permanently delete the file, you'll need to empty the recycle bin or trash. On Windows, right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. Step 4. If you want to skip the recycle bin entirely, you can select the file and press the Shift-Delete keys on your keyboard. Alternatively, right-click the file, choose Delete, and then press OK in the confirmation window. This will permanently delete the file without sending it to the recycle bin. Step 5. Finally, if you're deleting sensitive files, consider backing up your important data before proceeding. This way, you won't accidentally lose something you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to properly delete files from your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.